What is your job?
Me,
Yeah.
I'm a customer care executive.
What is that?
You know, for support.
Support?
Yeah, like Paytm.
BTM.
Yeah, it's a financial.
Seven.
See, how long have you been in India?
I came here tonight. Today.
Today?
Yes.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, very
That's great.
nice. Yeah.
This
Do
is
you live in here?
yeah, I live here.
Oh, so you from India, right?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
Very nice. I watch South Korean movies.
Oh, really?
Uh, which one I last watched? I forgot. Yeah.
Squid Game?
No, Squid Game. Not that.
Yeah, yeah.
It was in Handmaiden Tale.
Oh, I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah, can you share?
I think it also won an Oscar. This one I
Oh,
watched last.
wow.
You know?
Handmade. Oh, yes, I know all of these actors, very famous in Korea.
Yeah, and also Ex-Huma. I watched. You know
Wow.
Ex-Huma?
I don't know, what is that?
That's
Maybe I know, but I
Okay,
only
you-
know the
you
Korean.
know the Korean, yeah.
Yeah, only Korean, so maybe.
this one.
Yeah.
It's great. It's fucking great. You guys make good movies.
Yeah, yeah. that's
Movies,
right.
you are
Yeah,
really good.
Yeah, very nice. What's your name? My name is
Abhishek.
June.
Huh?
My name is June.
June, Bong
Nice to
Joon-ho.
meet you, Abhishek.
Yeah, like the director, Bong Joon-ho.
Bong Joon-ho.
The South Korean director, June.
That's right.
Yeah.
Exactly same.
This is the best time to visit India. Not too much heat, not too much cold.
Yeah.
And this time, air is also very good.
Yeah, look at that.
That's the presidential
view.
palace.
President.
Yeah, presidential palace.
So president
Lives there.
lives there?
Yeah. Wow. That you visit that?
Yeah.
Saw that? That's India Gate.
India Gate.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a memorial for soldiers who died in World War One.
Mm,
Because
World War One.
we used to fight World War Two. Sorry, because
World
we
War
used
Two.
to fight World One and Two both. I think their names. You see two pillars. There are two pillars. There are 70,000 name on that.
70,000
Names were written. I don't know if you
Wow.
saw that.
Very. Wow.
What's your age?
Yeah. Sir?
Your age?
I'm 27 years old.
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 30.
30.
Yeah.
You look like 25 or 6.
Yeah. We don't eat protein much here.
Yeah. Very.
Everything is carbohydrate.
Yes.
Only carbohydrate.
Yeah, so I didn't know that here people.
Carbohydrate heavy diet, not protein heavy diet.
Yeah.
So
They-
that's why I'm skinny. I need to eat more protein.
Yes.
But the thing is, since I didn't start eating protein from when I was small, now if I eat protein too much, my stomach can't digest it. Because I'm starting late.
Yes.
That's why. It's because that's the thing. You see, every guy he's kind of like skinny.
Yeah,
Most
yeah,
of
yeah,
the guys,
yeah,
it's
yeah.
because of that. You get my
Wow.
point?
A lot of Indian people is the vegetarian, right?
Yeah, but the thing is, most of them are vegetarian. That is correct. But people do eat meat. But the thing is, if someone say he eats meat, he'll be like he'll eat meat once a week.
Once a week.
Yeah, if you eat meat once a week, okay, in a month, uh, they will call themselves non-vegetarian. But that's really not true.
Yes,
Because
yeah.
you guys, you have protein-heavy diet. You guys eat meat more, right? But you eat meat every day in Korea,
Yeah,
correct?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So that I think people here classify themselves wrongly. That's the issue.
Wow, this.
What do you do, man?
I was a tour guide in Vietnam.
Really?
Yeah. But I quit.
So you have visited Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh, Saigon.
Oh, yes. I lived there about 4 years, but I quit the job.
Because Vietnam is more tourist friendly. I mean, like they have, I believe,
Yeah.
more than South Korea.
That's right. Many tourists go there to visit
Yeah.
Vietnam, and
Also, hotels are really cheap there. Huh?
yeah. Everything is cheap. Yeah.
Where are you staying here in Delhi?
Near the Joyce Hostel. Do you know Joyce Hostel?
No.
It's near from here. It's about maybe 10 or 15 minutes, I think.
Okay, in Central.
It's like I
Oh. Okay, you are in Old Delhi.
not here. Yeah.
That's far.
Yeah, it's
But you can go.
Yeah,
I
it's
think you
far.
can go
Maybe-
with metro. I think there should be a metro there.
Yeah,
Have
metro.
You, yeah.
Metro takes. Oh, it's far. It's far.
I'll
Little
show
bit
you
far.
the lines. You see these lines? These are metro. You,
So what do you do, man? You
customer care.
Customer
Care.
You call a care.
So yeah,
Ah. So you care the
yeah, I
customer.
support troubleshooting.
Trouble.
That's things like that.
Kind of what kind of trouble can you tell me?
Like if somebody calls us, like they have a problem in payment,
A payment
yeah,
like bank.
like bank payment, yeah,
Uh-huh.
that's this is the app we pay here from app.
Wow.
So this app like WeChat, in China they pay.
Yeah.
So same. Okay, so we have to pay, scan
pay-
the
oh,
QR
scan,
code. Okay,
yeah.
for this app support.
Wow. Very nice. Very good.
You can have a selfie with you.
Of course. Very nice.
You,
Do you have Instagram or Facebook?
yeah, I have.
Yeah. Indian people more use what? They more use what? I mean, like they use Instagram.
Insta more.
Oh, I have Instagram.
TikTok is banned.
And Instagram and TikTok.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. Oh, can I search? Yeah.
And that thing. we-
I make the video.
Yeah. Okay. No. We are just having normal. It will be eating your memory.
Yeah. Very
So-
nice.
No, like this. I think you are shooting in 4K, right?
Shooting 4K?
Yeah. This.
Yeah. It's on the record.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Oh wait. This is my travel account.
Oh, travel account.
Yeah.
How many countries have you been? 10, 12 countries? Or more than that?
Yeah. Maybe.
Oh, you've been to Hong Kong. Yeah, this is Hong Kong,
Oh,
right?
how do you know?
You know, this is Great Wall of China.
Mhm.
This might be the China, Beijing. This is
Scared.
Beijing.
Yeah. Beijing. Yeah. That's right.
This is Sydney.
Yes. Wow.
This is Bali.
How do you know?
I watch travel YouTube very much because
Really?
I don't have visa on arrival. No? Your passport is more powerful. We can walk.
Of course. Now you gotta go, right?
Yeah, I'll go.
Oh, that's Wow.
I have a desire, to go see and things, but we have to submit this much document. Then they will give me visa. It's difficult.
Wow, difficult.
Yeah, it's all right, man. That's how the way world it is. But I know everything, man.
Really?
I watch. You don't know. I watch the travel vlogs, the people who travel and show to YouTube. Through YouTube, I have seen almost every country.
Wow. Very nice. So you live in here, right?
Yeah, I live here, 30 kilometers from here.
30 kilometers.
Yeah. So
If you have some time, like maybe tomorrow, next tomorrow, or like if you have time, why don't we?
where are you going right now?
I'm going to hostel.
Or you're going to
Yeah, yeah,
hostel?
yeah. So if you have time, I will DM. I will direct message Instagram.
Yeah,
And
tomorrow.
tomorrow also good. So like we can go to like go the restaurant, eat,
Yeah,
eat
sure.
food,
Yeah,
and
sure.
just enjoy
Yeah, it's
something
alright.
like that. Yeah, very nice. Because today you also have the uh, see your friends.
Yeah.
So yeah, tomorrow or next tomorrow is good. Yeah, it's good. I'm s- Actually I was a little bit disappointed because I go there
Yeah.
and the
so-
police told me
yeah,
that
there you
it
can-
is everything.
There is a website if you want to visit.
Oh.
You have to apply on the
Apply-
website to visit the palace. This is small tour. I've been there. I've been inside.
So I was a little bit disappointed and I decided to go back to hostel and I saw you.
I'll take you to a place. You wanna come right now?
Where?
It's a step well.
I Oh, okay, okay. You go. How do we go? Like we use the walking or?
It's a good.
How about your friends? You have to see your friends. What time you meet them?
I'll meet them at 7 p.m.
7 p.m.
This one.
Oh,
Yeah.
what is that place?
It's a step well. Yeah.
Okay,
It's free, no charges.
okay. So what?
I'll take the. I'll answer after this.
You call the rickshaw or metro?
Yeah.
Subway?
What will do? I don't know if the Uber will come.
No, what? We can take the rickshaw. Yeah, I will pay. No. This is expensive.
No,
No,
Uber
I
is
will
not
pay.
expensive.
Yeah,
I'll
I
show
said
you
it's
the
okay.
money.
Okay, but if you want to take the Uber, I will pay the money.
That's all right.
Rickshaw also good. There's no rickshaw here. There is also no rickshaw. Okay, just.
Don't worry, I'll pay, man.
No, okay, I'll pay by no. No. Next time.
I'll show you.
Next time. Maybe tomorrow you pay. So we have to cross the road or
It will come.
I will come here. Okay.
Okay, I think
Here.
close.
I saw. Yeah.
Yeah, this one.
I saw.
You have already saw it?
Yeah, I saw. I go there alone.
Okay.
I have picture. Here.
Yeah, this
4 p.m. I went there. I met these people tonight 3 p.m.
Okay.
They already go to the airport. Now they go. We can walk there.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a little bit.
You have a girlfriend?
No, single.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
South Korea, but rate is too low. You have to do something. You know?
No.
You know.
Honestly,
You guys discuss. You know, South Korea.
South Korea.
Not enough babies.
Yeah.
We need to make babies. You're 27, man.
Yeah.
Here you are committing a crime. if you are not married
Mm-hmm.
by 27,
Uh-huh.
you are committing a crime. Illegal.
Oh, illegal in India?
Yeah, like parents this
Oh,
marry.
in India?
Yeah,
Wow, very good. How about you? You married? Ah, you 30 years
rebelled.
old. You 30 years old, right?
I rebel. I rebel. You know, revolution
Revolution. Ah.
against the system. You know, you guys overthrow your prime minister. You know,
Prime Minister? What is that?
your prime minister.
Mm-hmm.
He martial law in your country. Few months back, they protest in Korea. They
Oh yeah.
you guys, I was saying that the security guard
Yes, yes.
and the guy who was protesting, they both know how to fight. You guys have a mandatory army
Yeah, army.
training,
Yeah,
mandatory.
Yeah. Mandatory.
You cannot opt out.
Mm-hmm. Wow, how do you know Korean so good?
And I've read about it and seen videos about that. You know.
Wow, I think very nice.
What was the main river? I forgot the name of the river. You know, in
Han,
Seoul.
Han River?
Yeah.
Han
yes,
River.
You guys have lots of bunker, right?
Bunker.
Yeah,
What?
for like in wartime.
Wartime? Yeah.
I was seeing something about that. You guys have lot of bunkers to things like that. You know, to save yourself from nuclear.
Yes. Nuclear war.
Yeah, underground bunkers. In
Bunkers.
Seoul.
I understand.
What
Wow,
did
you-
you study? Like graduation
English.
English.
But it's not good. it's like a mess.
I know only 안녕하세요 in Korea.
안녕하세요. That is all you need. Enough. 안녕하세요.
I've seen all the movies with subtitle. Yeah.
What is your favorite movie in Korea?
Favorite
Yeah, favorite.
is of course Old Boy.
Old boy.
And one what was that name? I forgot. You know the serial killer one?
Serial killer.
Memories of Murder.
Memory. Oh yeah.
That one.
Wow, very nice. You know everything.
Oh, these are the classics, right?
Mhm.
Classic one.
Classic, yeah.
But I don't watch K-drama.
K-drama.
I don't like.
Yeah, it's like so. The boys.
Melodramatic.
Yeah. That's right. Actually, I'm. Oh yeah.
हेलो सेंट्रल में हूँ चलो ठीक है Yeah, my friend's call.
Okay. Oh, very nice. Very good.
How will you go to your hostel?
Oh, I can
Uber.
take the Uber. No, I also can take the
Rickshaw.
rickshaw or metro. I studied how to take the metro.
You met in your hostel. You met other people.
Yeah, one that you see the picture?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That people I met them in this morning.
Okay.
Yeah, and they go back to the airport now.
They are leaving.
They leave.
How,
Yeah.
how will from Delhi which else city you will go?
Me?
Yeah.
After that, I go to the Agra.
Agra. Okay.
Agra to see the Taj Mahal, and then after that I go to the Varanasi
Varanasi. Okay.
and come back here,
Come back here.
and then I go to the Oman.
Oman.
Oman, you know
Yeah,
Oman.
You're gonna go to Muscat.
Oman, Dubai.
In Oman, you will also find Indians, man.
How do you know everything? So smart.
This is just,
Oman?
No, this is Udaipur.
Oh,
This is in India, in Rajasthan. I just went 2 days back.
oh.
Yeah.
Wow, it's also very pretty.
It's called City of Lakes.
City of Lakes. Wow.
I have here.
Yeah, very nice.
Look, I'll show you the mountains.
Mhm.
You know, you heard Ladakh?
Ladakh?
Have you heard about it?
I don't know.
Okay.
What is that?
It's we have a place in northern India.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this place. This is a complete Buddhist place. This
Oh, Ladakh.
Yeah,
Is it India?
yeah, it's in India.
Uh-huh.
So this place, you know,
Wow,
many,
very
many South
beautiful.
Korean go here because it's
Ah, it's trekking.
yeah, trekking and
Wow.
also some travel
Travel.
travel guy from South Korea came there and saw all these things because it's a Buddhist state. Okay, majority Tibetan people here.
You went here?
No, no,
Not
no,
yet.
Not yet. It's a little bit. You have to plan for it because
Mm-hmm.
it's 3,000 meter
Oh.
above sea level.
How many meters?
3,000.
8,000?
3,000.
3,000?
Yeah,
Wow.
meter above the
It's high, right?
high, high.
Wow.
Yeah. So you have to plan because if you go there, you have to
Hard to
spend.
breathe, right?
Yeah. Oxygen and.
Oh
all
yeah,
that.
no
So-
oxygen.
Because many South Korean go here to ride bikes in the mountain.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
Very good. Very nice. Well, actually, I'm so good because I really want to make the Indian friends in here. Really. But it's very hard to make Indian people because, like, you know,
Most people don't speak English here well.
yeah. But how you study, right?
Yeah, I have watched a lot of movies now. Subtitles, you know.
Very good. Very nice.
Yeah.
So you take the rickshaw or
I
bus?
go to metro. This is subway.
Go with me. I also going to take the subway.
Which station you want to go?
Let me see.
Okay, which
Right here is a
place
lot
I
of
went to mountains. Here.
wow. It's trekking, right?
Yeah,
Bro, but I cannot record here, right? Cannot.
I don't know. I don't know.
You know, no, maybe I
Just
will
be a
little bit like this.
I think we can record. If someone says something, just drop down the. You can up.
No, but no issue.